If you somehow clicked on this video, thank you for clicking it, because I have a special custom for you to see today. Today we're gonna customize, y'all already know, Air Force One, baby, yeah. The all white, yeah. But this time, if you watch my previous video on hydro dipping, we're doing it again. We're gonna do a Lilo and Stitch hydro dip. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Oh yeah, one more thing, people. This is the hydro film we will be using. So if you want to get the hydro film, please check out the link in my description and this link right here, and use my promo code to get 5% off on your order. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Step 1 is to prep the shoes. This is one step you don't want to forget. Right here, I am acetoning the shoes, which is the prep work. Therefore, the hydro dipping film will stick to the shoe.
Never thought it would turn out like this. I ride like this. Got on fire on the block. I heard a house of this. If you ever steal, you'll catch the stainless. And the coupe is brainless. I'm going dummy. I'm all in London, and they be blind hating. I swear I saw it coming. I had to get inside my bag. I'm talking go yard, and they like how you fit that cash inside the go yard. All this ice on me, ain't got no heart. Put the rest up in your face, look like Avatar. I'm ballin' in the booth, I'm a raptor. I've been in the game like Rockstar. This is a Carrera, not a cop car. Please don't catch a hating charge, I'm tryna dodge y'all. And I swear, that it's getting rough and I swear I never trust and I swear I never love and I swear you'll get bust if you dare. Try, and that's the truth, like 34 and 09. I've been tried too many times, that's sad to say.
Alright, this is where things get difficult. Right here, I am getting my hydro film ready to get dipped in the water. I am taping up the edges to keep it from spreading, but you also will want to slit the edges because you want it to expand. But the tape is there to keep it in place. Once you get your film, place it in the water and spray activator over it and dip your shoe slowly. I must say, it is hard to get the perfect hydro dip. You will see that these shoes aren't perfect. I'm not perfect, but hey, they look good still, right? Yeah!
I had to get inside my bag, I'm talking go yard, and they like how you fit that cash inside the go yard. All this ice on me, ain't got no heart.